Howdy y'all, I'm Evan Cook, Vice President of Ag Anglers, Texas A&M University. Competitive bass fishing team here at A&M's beautiful campus. Now I'm going to tell y'all about fishing. When I come and I see a brand new pond, first thing I'm going to do, bring out a top water. I'm going to start with a 6-to-4-1 gear ratio reel, 6-6 medium heavy rod, and a Livingston lure top water. You're going to want to fish the banks and points.
Hard bid. Now heaven knows where heaven lies. There ain't no gold in a Tennessee mine.
That is an absolute giant. Only 165, 170. I'm going to release it. Here's the release. Guys, that is what I'm talking about. Big bass dreams, baby. Coming to a pond first time and catching toads. Doesn't get much better than that. This is Evan Cook, Vice President for Ag Anglers, Texas A&M University. Thanks, and dig 'em.
I miss my wife and my family.